Ekitongole eky'amakomera kiraze obutali bumativu engeri embuga z'amateeka gye zikwatamu emisango ekyali gimu. Okusinziira ku mwogezi w'ekitongole kino eky'amakomera Frank Bayine, abasibe bangi abalindiridde okusalibwawo kyekiddako era nga bano bakyakumibwa mu makomera ag'enjawulo.
Who urgently need justice. And the committees, we have committees. Those are people who are alleged to have committed felonies and have finished their mandatory period of 6 months, and they have been committed to the High Court and have been waiting for trial for now a minimum of 2 years. These are 4,440. Implying that if our justice system was very fast, these ones would all be on trial, or they should have concluded trial, because since they were committed, it's now about 2 years. And also we have a category of those who have finished their mandatory period of 6 months on remand, but are awaiting committal or bail or acquittal. And these are 2,472.
Mu kirwadde ekya COVID-19 amanyisiza abalwadde abali mu makomera ssaako n'abo abagenda bakuba ku matu. Okusinza ku yagamba nti baafunye eddagala erigema ekirwadde kya COVID-19 era lino libayambyeko mu kulaba nga balwanyisa ekirwadde kino.
Now the number counting, cumulative number is 1,915. Of those, 1,719 are prisoners, 127 are staff, 68 are relatives of staff. Those who have recovered are 1,817. The active ones are 95, and the number of the lost persons still stands at 5. 3 inmates, 1 staff relative.
Mubuufu obw'okuyingiza abantu abalala okweyunga ku kitongole kino ategeeza nga waliwo bannansi abaataddewo emikutu gimukwanira wala nga bategeeza bannaabwe nga akadde kano ekitongole kino bwe kigenda maaso n'okuyingiza abasirikale kyagambye nti kino kya bulimba. Okusinza ku yagamba nti akadde ke toogereramu abamu ku bantu abayingira era abagenda okuweereza ekitongole kino bali mu kutendekebwa era nga abandi banatera kumaliriza.
We already have 3 categories of people who are in the chain of recruitment. The first category are the cadet ASPs who are supposed to be completing their course this month. The second category are the recruit warders and wardresses who have just started their training and I think haven't gone even halfway. The third group, which is supposed to be the incoming cadets to enter the camp when these ones in camp have gone out, have already moved more than 2 stages. Actually, they did the submission of applications, the shortlist was made, the aptitude was conducted. They were only unfortunate that when they were supposed to do the oral, which requires interface with the boards, that's when the second lockdown came in.
Yes, Chigongo, Kurwa, Channel 44, Oreguro.